Hi, good evening, boys and girls. This is Miss Jackson again. We are going to be working on week 5, and this will be your social studies lesson. So in this, hopefully you guys will have a lot of fun with it. Parents, you're going to be taking your child on a bear hunt through the house. And what the bear hunt means is you're going to have them go through the house, and you're going to tell them using positional words to go next or up to things. So for example, some of our positional words would be below or above. You can also use near or far. You can also use left and then right. And then you can use beside, next to, and there's also which would be the same as below. You can do under, or then you can do the same as above, which would be the word over. So you're going to be using these words and having them go. For example, you can ask your child to go under a table or under a chair. Have them put a book on top of the counter. You can have them go under a blanket, sit next to the couch, a door, a wall. You can have them be near an object, or you can have them be far away from an object. So that's going to be what they're going to do under a bear hunt. I'm going to give you some other examples of using the words, and then we're going to talk about what I want to have them do at the end of the assignment. So for some of our words, let me go ahead and switch to so that you guys will be able to see what I'm working on. So we're going to be using some items. So for right now, I have put the, whoops, let me switch this. There we go. Put the frog under the lily pad. So I have a lily pad right here. So would this be under the lily pad? No, this would be behind the lily pad. Would this be under the lily pad? You're right, it is on the lily pad. Would this be under the lily pad? Good job. This would be under the lily pad. So then we have another one, and it says put the frog on the lily pad. Is the frog on the lily pad? No, you're right. He is off of the lily pad. Is the frog on the lily pad? Good job. He is on. And then we have another one. It says put the frog to the right of the lily pad. Is the frog to the right of the lily pad? Just so you can see this better. You're right. He's in front of the lily pad. Is he right of the lily pad? No, he's to the left. Is he to the right of the lily pad? Good job. He is. He is to the right of the lily pad. So we have another one that we're going to work on. And this time it's going to be a toy box and a bear. And this is to give you a few more clues as to what they're doing. It says put the bear inside the toy box. So is the bear inside the toy box? No. He can be, that's next to or beside. Is the bear inside of the toy box? No, you're right again. He's behind the toy box. Is the bear inside of the toy box? Good job. He is inside of the toy box. So let's try another one. This one says to put the bear far away from the toy box. So is the bear far away from the toy box? No, he's near the toy box. So if I put him off the screen, we'll put him over here, you just barely see him. Is he now far away from the toy box? Yes, he is far away from the toy box. Good job. And the last one we'll talk about is we have a duck. And it says to put the duck behind the pond. Is he behind the pond? No, he is to the left of the pond. Is he behind the pond now? No, he's in front of the pond. Is he behind the pond now? You're right, he is. The duck is behind the pond. And now we have one that asks about to put the duck in front of the pond. Well, if he is behind the pond now, let's go ahead and we move him to, is he behind the pond? No, he's to the right of the pond. If I move him here, is he in front of the pond? Good job, you're right. He is in front of the pond. So these are just different ways that you can do of having to do your objects. So this time what we're going to do is Miss Jackson could use her bear that she had, and you can use a stuffed animal or any other objects that, or you can, any other if you want to use your positional words. But I decided that since some of you may not have a bear, that you could draw a bear on your piece of paper. So right now, you can use a sheet of paper. It can be a small sheet of paper. It can be a big piece of construction paper. It's up to you. But I'm going to go ahead and draw my bear. And to draw my bear, I'm just going to do some shapes. So I'm going to use a small circle for the head. And notice I'm putting him in the middle of my paper. And then I'm going to do a bigger circle for his body. And of course, you know bears need to have some ears, so I'm going to do ears. Some circles for ears. He needs 2 eyes and a mouth because he's a happy little bear. And then he needs to have his 4 paws, so I'm just going to draw his 4 paws that he has for him. And it doesn't have to be a perfect bear, but that's just what to use. So you are going to either, you can have a picture of a bear, you can draw a bear, or you can actually have a stuffed bear. It's fine. And if you want to use a doll or anything else, I'm good with that. But we're going to have you use positional words on your piece of paper. And in doing so, you can take some cutouts of pictures, or you can use objects. For example, I want to put an apple above the bear. I don't have an apple with me, so I figured I could draw it. But first I have to figure out where is above. So let's look. Is this above? No, that's beside the bear. Is this above? No, again, that is under the bear or below the bear. Is this above the bear? Good job. So I'm just going to draw a small apple. I'm just going to do like a little circle, and there's your stem. So the thing that you're going to do, and your parents can definitely help you out, is you can write the word above. And on here, you can either write above or over. Both of them would be fine because both of them mean the same thing, and they are. So I'm going to go ahead and write the word above. It's A-B-O-V-E, above. Now I want to put a blanket under the bear. Is this under the bear? No, that's to the left of the bear. Is this under the bear? No, you're right, it's not. Is this under the bear? Good job. So for me, again, you can use objects or you can draw a picture. I'm just going to draw a picture. I'm going to draw a rectangle for my blanket, and I'm going to put the word under, U-N-D-E-R, under. Now also we have another word, below, which is B-E-L-O-W. You can use either under or below for giving your positional words. At this time I want you to have at least 5 positional words. So let's go ahead and pick another one. I want the crayon to be far away from the bear. Is the crayon far from the bear? Oh, he's rolling away. No, he's next to the bear. If I move it over here, would it be far away from the bear? No, again, it's still close to the bear. So if I move him all the way over here, I've even got it off of my piece of paper, and here's my crayon. Is he far from the bear? You're right, he is far from the bear. So I'm going to go ahead and write far. That's F-A-R. Then I'm going to want to have a circle next to the bear. A circle next to the bear. Is the circle next to the bear over here? No. Is it next to the bear over here? No. But if I put a circle right here, would that be next to the bear? You're right, it is next to the bear. So I can write next, N-E-X-T. It would also be to the right of the bear because it's on the right side of the bear. I want to put a square on the left side of the bear. The left side of the bear. Is this the left side of the bear? No, we already wrote above. Is this the left side of the bear? No, this is the right side of the bear. Is this the left side of the bear? Good job. It is the left side. So we're going to draw a square and we're going to write the word left. L-E-F-T. So I would like you to have at least 5 positional words with your drawing. And again, you can have a picture of a bear, draw a bear. It's all up to you on what you want to do. So this is what it would look like, and then make sure that your parents take a picture. I hope that you guys are going to have fun with going on your bear hunt and using your positional words and drawing objects next to your bear that you have. So Ms. Jackson looks forward to seeing all of your pictures and videos that you send, and I hope that you have a great week. Bye.